Hello everyone, I hope each one of you is doing well. So guys, 12th results declared, but are you still confused what I can do with biology after class 12 science? No worries guys, cause once again I am here to help you. Choosing career after 12th is one of the most important decisions in one's life as there are many courses, career options to choose from. However, it depends upon your interest which option you need to choose. If you are a class 12 pass student with biology as your subject, then I'm damn sure that the major focus of you guys must be NEET MBBS. Don't worry guys, I'm not here to demotivate you guys. Moreover, I'm here to broaden the career options for you. If you don't know what are the best courses after 12th science biology, then I might be a savior for you. And I'll make you aware of the multiple biology courses after class 12th. The right biological course after 12th science can make your study easy, but choosing the wrong course or subject can harm your career opportunities and future growth. Science students always get puzzled regarding course option. Therefore, the right career counseling for science stream students is very important. Students are curious to know that what career options are available in the education field in the science stream. So, with an aim to make good careers for biology stream students, here we are with one such list of best courses. Some major courses that you can pursue after 12th from PCB are MBBS, BDS, BAMS, BHMS, BUMS, BV Science, BVSC, BPT, BSc, BSc Nursing, B Pharma, Pharma D, Diploma courses. So starting with the MBBS, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. The most sought and popular course after one completes 12th science, Biology. MBBS for those who want to become a doctor. We are guessing that all must be aware of this. But the problem with doing MBBS is that there is a heavy competition involved in the admission process itself. Eligibility criteria is 12th science with physics, chemistry, biology and English with 50 marks each. The admission process is there is an entrance exam. You must be aware of it. It's NEET. Some important entrance exam lists are NEET, National Eligibility cum Entrance Test, AIIMS, All India Institute of Medical Science, AFMC, Armed Forces Medical College, JIPMER, Jawaharlal Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research. Age limit is minimum 17 years. Course duration is 5.5 years including the internship. Now the second course is BDS, Bachelor of Dental Surgery. It is the best course and most desirable professional course after 12th science with biology for those who want to become a dentist, the teeth doctor. If you are interested in oral surgery, oral pathology or dental histology, then you can go for Bachelor of Dental Surgery. It is the second choice of students after MBBS. The dentist treats the diseases and conditions related to teeth, oral cavity, loose teeth, bleeding, cracked teeth, gum disease, oral cancer, tooth erosion, etc. The eligibility criteria is 12th science with physics, chemistry, biology with 60%, course duration 5 years, 4 plus 1 year internship. Admission process is there is an entrance exam, NEET. Coming to our next BAMS, Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery. It is one of the best professional degree courses after 12th science with biology or PCB for those who want to become an Ayurvedic doctor. If you are interested in traditional ancient medical system and Ayurvedic medicines, BAMS course can be the best for you. The BAMS course is related to traditional Hindu system of medicine like herbal treatment. The eligibility criteria is 12th Science with PCB 50% marks. Course duration is 4.5 years academic plus 1 year internship. Minimum age for this is 17 years. Admission process, there is an entrance exam named NEET, National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test for this too. Coming to BHMS, Bachelor of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery. It is an undergraduate degree program in medical field. This degree covers the medical knowledge of the homeopathic system. After completing this degree, you are eligible to become a doctor in the homeopathic medical field. The degree holder is eligible to have the prefix as a doctor. Homeopathy is the system of alternative medicines. The patients are taken care by enhancing the natural healing power of the human body. Its eligibility criteria is 12th Science with PCB 50%. Course duration is 5.5 years, and for this admission there is an entrance exam named NEET. Coming to BUMS, Bachelor of Unani Medicine and Surgery. It is an undergraduate degree program in the field of Unani medicine and surgery. This degree covers the medical knowledge of the Unani system. It is our ancient medicine system. To pursue and owe this degree is quite enough to become a doctor, a Hakim, in the Unani medical field. The concept of Unani is that the body rejuvenates itself because of its self-healing power. Its course duration is 5.5 years. Its eligibility is 12th Science with PCB 50%. Its admission process is an entrance exam, NEET. Coming to BVSC, Bachelor of Veterinary Science. It is an undergraduate course of 5 years in the field of veterinary science that aims to impart the knowledge required for nourishment, treatment, and breeding of animals. Most of you guys must be having pets in your home, and when during its ailment, where do you take it? Of course, to a veterinary doctor. BVSC course is ideal for candidates who consider themselves as animal lovers and want to work or own an animal breeding and caring firm and want to establish a career in animal husbandry. Its eligibility criteria is 12th with PCB 50% marks. Course duration 5 years to 5.5 years. Its admission process is there is an entrance test named AIPVT, All India Pre-Veterinary Test. Coming to BPT, Bachelor of Physiotherapy. It is one of the best undergraduate degree courses after 12th Science with biology or PCB for those who are interested in physical methods treatment like massage and exercise. Its eligibility criteria is 12th Science with PCB, Physics, Chemistry, Biology, 50%. Its course duration is 4.5 years, 4 years academic plus 6 months internship. Admission process includes an entrance exam CET, Common Entrance Exam, and AIMEE, All India Medical Entrance Examination. Its age limit is minimum 17 years. Coming to our next course, BSc, Bachelor of Science. BSc is the best undergraduate degree course after 12th Science stream for those who are interested in research, development, teaching, etc. These are various types of specialization available in a BSc. Eligibility criteria is 12th Science with PCB or PCM. Its course duration is 3 years. Admission process, direct entrance exam, group discussion, personal interview in some colleges. Mode of pursuit is general or honors. Now, various specializations in BSc are BSc Biochemistry, BSc Biology, BSc Physics, BSc Chemistry, BSc Environmental Science, BSc Biotechnology, BSc Nursing, BSc Occupational Therapy, BSc Physiotherapy, BSc Radiology, BSc Bioinformatics, BSc Anthropology, BSc Microbiology, BSc Zoology, BSc Forensic Science, BSc Agriculture, BSc Pathology, BSc Speech Therapy, BFSC Fisheries and Science. So you see, the list is endless. Coming to the next course, BSc Nursing. It is the best undergraduate degree course after 12th Science with Biology PCB for those who are interested to serve in a hospital. Its eligibility criteria is 12th Science with PCB. Course duration is 4 years. Admission process, there is an entrance exam or merit who are interested to serve in a hospital. Basically, the nurse has to perform various tasks like give medical and attention to a patient, prepare patients and room for operations, keep patients' records, check and prepare medicine and injections, help the patient immediately when needed, and many more. Eligibility criteria is 12th Science with PCB. The next course is B Pharma, Bachelor of Pharmacy. It is one of the best undergraduate degree course after 12th Science with PCB for those who are interested in pharmacy sector or for researching, testing and developing medicines, the drugs. It includes various fields like hospital pharmacy, clinical pharmacy, industrial pharmacy, consulting pharmacy, regulatory pharmacy and many more. So you can choose as per your interest area. After B Pharma, you can also pursue M Pharma. It is the master's degree. Eligibility criteria 50% 12th Science with PCB. Course duration is 4 years, 8 semesters. Age limit is minimum 17. And the admission process is entrance exam or merit. Coming to our next course, Pharma D, Doctor of Pharmacy. It is most important to note that Pharma D is different from B Pharma and M Pharma. In fact, it is a combination of B Pharma and M Pharma and MBBS. Moreover, Pharma D can also be pursued by B Pharma graduates by taking admissions to lateral entry course. But this course is chosen by less number of students. Eligibility 12th with PCB 50%. It includes 4 years of education and 1 year internship. Its admission process is direct or entrance exam. Now diploma courses. The paramedic course involves emergency medical services required in the pre-hospital environment, and a person who works in this area is known as a paramedic. Paramedical courses are available in the following formats: degree courses, diploma courses, certificate courses. Pursuing degree and diploma in paramedical course is a great option. Some of the popular courses are MLT courses, Medical Laboratory Technology, Radiology courses, OTT courses, Operation Theatre Technique, Audiology and Speech Therapy courses. Speech Therapy courses, DHLS, Diploma in Hearing Language and Speech. So choosing right course is powerful thing, and it is most important step of the life, because one wrong decision can affect your entire future. So choose wisely, and all the very good wishes to you for your future. Thank you very much.